my phone cut me off for some reason. I don't know why. So at Foot Soak Nights, if you're local, let me know if you would come Tuesday, Friday, or Wednesday. If you would actually come, which night you prefer. Big bags are available now, and at a Foot Soak Night, you get to pick from the scents that I have what kind of foot soak you'd like to do, or if you don't want to do a foot soak, you can do a peppermint magnesium lotion foot wrap. Everybody can do a hand spa if you'd like to do that while you're here, and it's just nice, relaxing. We usually have some kind of snacks also, so everybody local is welcome to come. Let me know which night you'd prefer, and I will try to get myself together to let everybody know for sure the night and get it done. Next, my Joyful Jordan box arrived. I'm so excited about this one. So, the thing I'm most excited about is the mask, and I had never heard of kaolin clay before, so I had to do a little Google search. Now let me back up, because when my camera stopped a while ago, I forgot to tell you things about this product. Dead sea salts, why you might like Dead sea salts in your life. So they help ease achy muscles, stiff joints, and fatigue. It helps, a lot of people are magnesium deficient, so soaking in it helps absorb it into your body. Relieves symptoms of conditions like psoriasis, muscle cramps, eczema. If you are athletic and have sore muscles after working out, it can help soothe your muscles. Or if you're a busy parent or grandparent and have sore muscles from getting up and down off the floor or whatever, this can help sore muscles. Our Dead Sea salts contain 21 minerals as opposed to Epsom salts, which I believe contain, is it 7? 5 to 7? I can't remember exactly. I need to double check that. Magnesium combats stress at fluid retention, which slows skin aging and calms the nervous system. You also get some of the other minerals you get are potassium, which energizes the body, helps balance skin moisture. Calcium reduces water retention, increases circulation, and strengthens bones and nails. Bromides ease muscle stiffness and relaxes the muscles. And silica elastomers gives skin a smooth and silky feel. So the Uplift blend in particular also has frankincense for emotional balance, and it helps calm and settle a restless mind. And orange is uplifting as well as relaxing, and it brings a peaceful feeling. So that's probably why this is so popular. At night, one night, my niece Lauren was here when we were doing foot soaks, and she was in the Uplift, and after about 10 minutes she was like, I'm gonna fall asleep. So it is relaxing. Next, this. I think I started this. I had to look up what is kaolin. Is that right? Kaolin. And I found Dr. Axe says that kaolin is great for sensitive skin. Let me scroll. It helps with acne and inflammation. And it can reduce signs of aging. Who doesn't need that? So I'm going to try this on tonight. Try it on. The little card tells about it. Detox and glow in one easy step. Dead Sea Mud Kaolin Clay Mask draws out impurities, clears pores, and balances oil, while honey powder brightens and rose water soothes for a soft, radiant skin. And I smelled this on my first take of the video that didn't save, and it smells so good. Rose is my favorite scent. Rose water is the second ingredient in this, so it smells really, really good. It smells like rose water. I love rose water so much because every time I smell roses that smell like rose water, it takes me back to my granny who used to use the rose milk in the pink bottle. That was her lotion. Next in the Joyful Jordan box is Beach Waves Coconut Lime Leave-In Conditioner. And I'm not sure if it is any different from our regular coconut lime leave-in conditioner. It smells just like the regular leave-in conditioner that's coconut lime. The card says, let me hold it so you can see it. The card says Beach Waves Leave-In Conditioner is a moisture-packed miracle for your hair. Rich in minerals and vitamins, it helps strengthen, reduce breakage, and boost shine, keeping your hair soft, hydrated, and easy to manage. So my daughter Sarah has hair so long that she can sit on it, and she loves the coconut lime leave-in conditioner, and she just ran out, so I know she's taking this. The next thing in the Joyful Jordan box is Sea Spa Magnesium Hand and Body Lotion. So just a minute ago, in the first take of my video, was the first time that I ever smelled the Sea Spa, which I get mixed up with Day Spa all the time. And I don't know how to describe it other than the fact that it smells like a spa. Maybe it's cucumber, but it's not just cucumber. I don't know what it is, but it smells like you think a spa is going to smell. So this is magnesium lotion. Good stuff for you. Let's see. It says clean aqua fragrance sea spa magnesium lotion carries you away as magnesium recharges sore muscles, calms stress, and supports restful sleep, all while hydrating your skin with a refreshing scent. It is refreshing. That is a good word for it. And because I got both of these things in my order, I unlocked the customer special, which is this Renew spray. I regularly use I regularly use the Renew stick for headaches. I put the Renew stick on my temples, across my forehead, on my neck, and I have not actually used the Renew spray before. It smells just like the Renew stick. I also use the shea butter, which I like. I use that on my knees a lot. So this smells just like a regular, and it is just like the regular. It's just in a fun label for July. And instead of being $18.50 for a spray bottle, it's only $5 if your order is $50 or more for the month of July. So get you some Renew. Let me read the sheet on what's good about the Renew spray. It relieves tension from headaches, backaches, neck, and sore feet. It is anti-inflammatory on achy joints and sore muscles. The magnesium offers cellular support, helps ease stress, pain, and fatigue. It soothes muscle aches, calms inflammation, improves circulation, and nourishes your skin. It's got a witch hazel base, which has anti-inflammatory properties and moisturizing to your skin. The essential oils that are in this blend are peppermint, sweet basil, lavender, and frankincense. So you've got an aroma that uplifts you and energizes your body, mind, and spirit. It supports clear breathing and sharper thinking in peppermint. Sweet basil is widely used as a muscle relaxer, anti-inflammatory properties, and it eases minor aches and pains. Lavender produces calm, restful sleep and reduces stress. And frankincense, who doesn't know how awesome frankincense is, supports emotional balance, helps calm and settle a restless mind. So lots of good stuff in the Renew blend, and this is what it is, just with the fun label on it, for only $5. So don't miss that. I've talked long enough, and that's what was in my box. 3 things, and I just talked for almost 10 minutes. Oh my goodness. Hopefully this video will work, and let me know if you have any questions about any of these things, and make sure to get your big bag of Dead Sea salt. Oh, that also enters you into the collapsible foot soak tub drawing. Make sure you get your box, your Joyful Jordan box, with the Beach Waves magnesium lotion and the Dead Sea mask, which I'm going to be using mine tonight. And don't forget your Renew spray for just $5. So I'll see y'all later.